I want to give one other point. St. Maarten, when I took office in 2020, I came in with the ORVG, or the Border Control Project, underway. That is a project where 16.3 million euros was put available to St. Maarten from the Netherlands for the purpose of increasing border control and management. Do we really believe that the Netherlands has invested or provided such a magnitude of money to St. Maarten for the purpose of increasing the opleiding or education opportunities for law enforcement officers, providing uniforms, providing other equipment they need for work, and they don't expect us to execute our duties? That is not the reason. We have to manage our borders. We have to manage the population. I am using this platform to ask all business owners to please visit different departments, including economic affairs, ensure your business's operation authority or availability is in place, visit SZV, visit the tax department, visit the labor office, have your staff do their applications with the immigration, and these controls will not need to be executed at this intensity. So now we're busy, myself as Minister of Justice, Minister of VSA, Minister Teyat, SZV, we're going to have a sit down with the multidisciplinary team, and we're going to see how the operations has ran, how we can adjust, how we can continue to execute these controls, but what effects are we having, and how we can adjust ourselves to not necessarily be as aggressive, so to speak, but I also want to hear from them, because there is an assumption that it's aggressive. Just the presence of law enforcement being there with their guns is being conveyed to me as aggressive, but is it really?